All right, folks, get ready for some serious cuteness overload. We're about to witness the hilarious antics of our furry friends that will make you laugh, smile, and maybe even question your own life choices. Let's get started. Uh-oh. Looks like someone's chasing something in their dreams. Maybe it's a tennis ball or possibly the world's biggest treat. Either way, it's serious business. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hilarious dog moments. Until next time, keep laughing and loving your pups.